Hello and welcome to my digital portfolio. My name is Nyarko-Mensah, a student of Ohio University studying PhD in Innovative Learning Design and Technology. In this presentation, I will walk through my website and briefly explain the purpose and significance of each section of the website. This website was fueled by a course project by my professor Dr. Wu for the course Issues and Trends in Instructional Technology. This portfolio serves as a space to document my academic work, reflections, and personal growth and professional growth as a student of innovative learning design and technology. I had the opportunity to use other platforms to create this website, but I decided to choose Google Sites. I like Google Sites because it gave me the opportunity to creatively design the website the way I actually wanted from the website wireframe I designed myself. Now I go to the home page. When you open the website, because it brings you to the home page. On the phone, the arrangement may show differently. On the computer, the arrangement will show differently also. But I'm viewing this from the computer. So on my home page, I have a banner there that sets the tone, that tells you what I'm going to do, with the title Digital Learning with Emerging Technologies. The message I have here with the welcome sets the tone and the purpose of the web page. Now on the home page also, I I place there some few write-ups that talks about the subject. So I use a drop down or expand option. When I click on it, it will drop down the text that I've put there, the write up. So we have this, and what I did was to integrate it with some images that will make it engaging and lively. So when I click on it back, okay, so I have this benefits of online learning. I can copy this, just this text. When I click on this, it is copied. Now, the next section I'll move on to is my reading reflections. I have 6 reading reflections and then a video screencast I did. Reflections also, the design format also takes the same as the text I placed on my homepage with the expand and collapse option, and I integrated some images to keep it engaging and lively. So based on what I'm discussing, I choose an image that will fit and match it. So these are 6 reflections. And then I also did a screencast presentation on accessible and inclusive online learning in higher education. This was an article which I read within the course of the period, and I did a screencast on the key takeaways of this. I mean, this was an insightful one for me because I got to understand that people have various ways of learning, and it's up to the instructor to identify this accessibility so that people will be able to learn adequately. People have certain disabilities that will mar their rate or mar their learning, and this article presents the issues and comes and presents some solutions also as to what to do. Now move on to my digital adventures tab. This digital adventures, I mean, it was a game changer for me. It's one of the most dynamic sections of my site because it showcases what I have been experimenting with in the terms of the digital tools, software, and media creation. Here, I highlight projects the creative works and exploratory tasks that allowed me to apply instructional design concepts in hands-on ways. These activities have helped me build confidence working with new technologies and taught me practical lessons about tool selection, design elements, challenges, and then problem solving. So these are all digital adventures I have embarked on. The last one I did was collaborative story writing, which I use a Padlet um, online platform to create an engaging and a facilitation lesson for a class. The next section is stories and articles, which I have not published anything yet there, because I have some stories and articles which may not be so related to the main title, but I intend to put some stories. I could write others later, and this tab is there for it to accommodate it. Now about me and resume. This is my resume page which talks about myself, my professional background, and what I've been doing and what I would like to do. So upon reading this, you are able to appreciate um, what I am and then what I like. So to conclude this walkthrough, this portfolio is both a record and a learning space. It documents what I am studying, how I am thinking, and the practical work I am producing as I grow as an instructional designer and technology expert. Each section reflects a different dimension of my academic identity, from analysis to creation to personal reflection to professional readiness. Now, thank you so much for watching my website walkthrough. I look forward to continue to build this portfolio as I progress in my studies and career in innovative learning design and technology. Feel free to send me comments on my website and how I could make it better and what I could also integrate to make it an innovative one. Thank you. Cheers.